Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to order with the Postmates app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and order with Postmates. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is log on to Postmates. Next, this is where you're going to be able to browse around on restaurants. So you can either use the search bar on the bottom hand side and type a specific cuisine you'd like, or you can simply just browse around with whatever's around you. In addition to that, if you click on the top left-hand corner where it says your address, this is where you could actually set your address so that nearby locations will be recommended to you. But let's say that we want to go ahead and order from Stefano's Greek and Mediterranean Grill. All you've got to do is click on the restaurant and then select which food items you want. So we're going to select this chicken kebab plate. And then most items are going to ask you to actually customize your sides. So here you can see you can customize your sides, but we're just going to click on add to cart. Now some options are going to be required. So let's say add garlic, then click on add to cart. Now once you add your first item to your cart, you can either have it delivered or picked up on this tab here, but we're going to click on delivery, then click on view cart. So this is where you're basically going to go ahead and check out. So click on go to checkout and then click on continue. Now we have some blurred information here, and once again, you can choose between delivery and pickup, but simply just go ahead and indicate whether you want to go ahead and deliver it and pick it up. But make sure your address is correct and your phone number is correct. I normally just set it to a standard delivery time, but you can also schedule this delivery time as well. Let's say that you want it to go ahead and be delivered for some other time, you can do that. Now there are certain promotions available, you can send it as a gift. And down below, you could actually click and change your payment method as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and order with the Postmates app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.